Kiharo gya Kinoru mwena wa Meru kingirika guthondekwo, mathako ma gĩbũrũri no matabanagirio kuo, na ona mbeũ njĩthĩ no igunĩke tondu no ithakagire kuo. Akiaria riria aracerete kiharo-ini kiu, munene wa timu ya Tusker FC Charles Obini augite matanyite gutabania mbitika ciao cia keri kiharo-ini kiu.
My agreement with them was supposed to start our second leg here, but the way it is now, I don't see us coming.
Maafitha a thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru maugite waki wa kiharo no urathie na mbere na ni ukurikirira ica ikuhi.
I want to say that this stadium, Kinoru Stadium, we are developing to be an international stadium. So far, we have done the terraces, we have done the pitch. Now we are working on the changing rooms and the track.
We want Meru to be the home of sports and a sporting destination. Football is very popular in Meru County. We have the highest fan base. Those are statistics confirmed by Tusker. We had the Meru Sevens.
Oho, mwandiki wa kiama kia mubira wa maguru bururi-ini mwena wa irathiro ni oretie thirikari yongerere aruti a wira ingi niguo wira wa gwaka uhuthe.
Maybe within the next 2 months the stadium can be ready so that at least we can host maybe the last even 10 matches, and maybe even we can host maybe Go TV Cup, which will be played. The finals will be played on 20th Masujandi, 20th October.
Kiharo giki gia Kinoru gitigaretie o hanini niguo kirike. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Wangeci wa Kagure.